Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. I am in my formal dining room area. I'm not going to be doing a deep cleaning, just a little bit of dusting and putting some things together for the summer season. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all subscribe, because I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And without further ado, let's jump on into the video. I have cleared all the home decor that I had in this area, and I'm just giving the table, not just the table, the whole dining room area a good dusting. And once I do that, I'm going to wipe it down or clean it with the Mrs. Meyer's wood cleaner. That is my favorite wood cleaner, and it gives the furniture, the area that you're cleaning, a awesome smell. So like I said, I'm just, dusting, make sure I get all that dust, because it was really kind of dusty in this area. And then I'm going to clean it with the Mrs. Meyer wood cleaner. This buffet, guys, I got from the thrift store. I only paid $25 for it. Yes, $25. You heard it right. From my local thrift store. This is one of my greatest finds from my local thrift store. My husband sanded down and stained it for me, and I just love it. I can't wait to the upcoming season to decorate on top of it. This is the area where I keep my bar cart. I am going to get me a larger bar cart, guys. I had this one for a while, and I always felt like it was kind of small for this area, but I do love it. I love the metal and wood detail of it. So I'm just going to be moving it to another area of my home. So I'm cleaning this down with the wood cleaner, and I'm going to be decorating this area also for the summer season. I finished with all the dusting and cleaning. Now it's time to decorate. This vase or vase, or I'm not sure what this would be considered, a bowl or a vase or vase, but either way, I created this beautiful summer arrangement, and I just think it is so amazing. I used the flowers that I got from Walmart to make this arrangement, and then I have some of the picks from Dollar Tree. But like I said, I love how this came out, guys. It is screaming summer to me. And the other decor pieces are just some stuff that I had in my home, and I shopped my home to create this look for the summer. And this is just some decor items that I had, those candlesticks and the other decor that I used to finish this look. It's very simple, but still looks amazing. Over in my bar cart area, I just used a flower arrangement that I had. Right here, you're going to see me taking out the rug that I had because it needed to be washed. So I'm taking that up and I'm going to be washing that. And then later on, you're going to see me decorate my bar cart, and which I'm going to be using a flower arrangement that I already had arranged. And then I'm going to be placing a candle holder, but in the candle holder, I'm going to be using a flower arrangement in that also. I have finished decorating this area. I'm going to vacuum the floor really quickly, and once I finish doing that, I'm going to be back with you guys to give you an overview of the complete look of my formal dining room area. I'm going to give you guys an overview of the complete look. I love this flower arrangement, guys. It is amazing. I just love how it came out. I love how the colors coordinate with each other. This is just another arrangement that I put here just to add additional greenery and my little white houses that I use all year round. We're going to move over to my bar cart, which I told you in the beginning of the video that I was going to use some flower arrangement. This is a hello sign that I got from the Dollar General that I just sat in front of that mirror there. And on the bottom, this is the flower arrangement that I was telling you guys about that I had completed. And you saw this in a previous video. So this is the candle holder I was telling you guys about that I just did a little small flower arrangement, and I'm going to give you another look at my mirror, and then we're going to go back over to the table so you guys can get another look at my amazing flower arrangement. I just love this flower arrangement, guys. I really do like how it came out. Like I said, I didn't do too much, just some simple decor to brighten up this area of my home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, I would love for you to subscribe and become a part of our family. And once you have subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So I'm just giving you an overview of the completed look, and I just love the detail of this vase here, a bowl, decorative bowl. It's really beautiful, and my little white houses on top of my buffet. And yeah, guys, everything just came out really nice. I didn't want to do too much, so I'm just giving you guys an overview, and I really do hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.